Let me show you the best features and the first things you absolutely need to do once you get your Casio G-Shock GD-B500 watch. Before you do anything, make sure to download this app on your phone, Casio Watches, and pair it with your watch. It has got crazy amounts of good features there. Let me show you some cool things that you can actually do once you connect it to your phone. First, we can actually sync or time at any time by pressing this lower button while we are in this main time menu where you can see your date. Simply press this down button and it will try to connect to your phone and fetch the current precise time. So you get extremely accurate time over the Bluetooth. Then also we can actually find our phone if you ever get your phone lost. Again, by holding this button for around maybe 3 seconds. Okay, and release it. And as you will see, it will try to search for a phone. And our phone starts to ring and you can very easily find it. Then if you actually want to manage settings from your phone instead of the watch, you need to actually connect both of them permanently for some time. And the way you do it, you press this mode button again while in the time menu and hold it. Okay, it will say connect and it will try to connect with the phone basically. It will take some while and you need to do that if you actually plan to use your phone app to manage some settings. Then, as you can see, we can manage absolutely tons of settings from this app. Pretty much everything you want to. Absolutely insane. By the way, this is my new YouTube channel and I'm really trying to reach 1000 subscribers. If you could help me out, that'd be so much appreciated. Thank you. Also in the same app, you can actually see your step count history when you go to my page and you can click on your date and you can see your step count date for the past days. You can also see for the week and months. Also you can see your energy basically, calories burned. Pretty cool. Okay, what if you are not a fan of smartphones and maybe want to adjust all the settings on the watch itself? To do that, we can again press and hold this adjust button while we are in this time menu basically where you can see our current date. We can press and hold this adjust button for around 3 seconds and then we can start adjusting time. First thing is a step reminder basically. So if this watch senses that you're not taking your daily steps, it will try to remind you. So you can toggle this with the search button to turn it on basically. But I don't really like that. Then we can toggle to the next setting using this mode button. And here we can actually adjust our step count goal for the day. Again, we can cycle with this button and set, for example, 8000 steps for the day. Again, let's press the mode button to continue next. And we can also adjust 12 and 24 hour time here, your date as well. And also we can enable or disable this keypad sound. When we press the keys basically, it will make a sound. You can also mute it if you don't want the sound. Personally, I actually like it. So let's click on the mode again. And this is one of the last ones. This is basically, you can actually change your backlight duration, how long it will last. By default, it's actually set to 1.5 seconds, which is indicated as 1 actually. But if you want to stay longer, basically select 3. That's what I have set basically. Again, let's select this mode button and this last one basically, a power saving feature. This basically means that from around 10 p.m. till 6 a.m. if this watch senses that you are not using it, it will actually turn off the screen. So during that time, and it will actually save quite a lot of battery that way. If you want to go back and you are okay with the settings, press the adjust button and all the new settings are set. Let me show you another very cool feature that this watch has, but it's not actually enabled by default. So again, when we go to the app, click on our watch, then go to the watch settings, click on light. We can also enable this auto light feature, and that what basically means is it's like a raise wrist to wake function. So let's send it to our watch, and basically what it does is once you wear your watch and you want to see the time, it will actually turn on the backlight and you can see the time. Extremely handy. Then also, you know what else is really cool about this watch? It has got insanely good water resistance of 20 bars. So you can actually use this watch to swim and dive. This can withstand basically dive depths of 200 meters. Absolutely insane. By the way, if you want to see your daily step count on the watch itself, you can simply press this adjust button once while you are in this watch face menu, basically, where you can see your date, and it will show you your steps at the bottom here as well. Overall, this G-Shock is insanely cool, and I'm really trying to grow my channel to 1000 subscribers. If you could help me out, that'd be so much appreciated. Thank you and good luck.